think Rishabh Pant's just asking, what are you bowling?
All right, well, here he comes.
Bowls
Gets
off the
a wicket
foot.
here.
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
I think he pulled off a wicket first ball.
I'll tell you what, if he does, Gav, that...
Oh, bit of swing, bit of movement, and then some bowler.
Oh, this is nicely hit along the ground from Hardy. Didn't have much width there, but tucked it nicely off the hip just for a single.
All day.
One ball left. Draws Nielsen into a defence. So these keepers up, slips back. Ball's full, ball's clipped over to the onside. Lands safely. Good shot by Nielsen.
Rolling his arm over at the moment. Oh. Down the ground. Got to be careful. Still Paranopal ball being run out. Get it. Sort of a all-day match.
Oh, that's a great piece of